2022 was a year of growth for me. I implemented new habits, developed new positive routines, and overall really improved my life in many different domains. Hi, hello everyone, my name is Irene and welcome back to Waves of Thoughts. Today I'm going to share with you 23 positive habits to start in 2023 that will change your life. So without any further ado, let's just jump straight into it. Number 1, setting boundaries. Setting boundaries involves placing limits on your time, on your emotions, and so on, not only with others, but also with yourself. Ultimately, this is one of the biggest demonstrations of self-respect, which also provides you with this sense of autonomy, or this need that us humans have to be in control of our lives, which, according to the self-determination theory, is one of our 3 psychological needs. Number 2, take breaks. This is one example of what setting boundaries looks like, but I really wanted to highlight the importance of taking breaks to, for instance, improving your focus, but also reducing your stress. Taking breaks can come in the form of taking a 30-minute pause from work to have lunch, doing a social media detox, or even having a full mental health day. Number 3, fail forward. Don't get paralyzed by brainstorming, by planning, by reflecting. These can be really powerful tools, but change can only happen when you actually put these ideas and these thoughts into practice. So take action, learn from your mistakes, and keep moving forward at your own pace. Number 4, sleep hygiene. Sleep is one of the foundations of our health. It helps you recover from fatigue, it helps prevent diseases, and a lot more. And that is why it is so important to follow good sleep hygiene practices. For example, developing an evening routine or having a consistent sleep schedule with fixed bedtimes and wake-up times. Number 5, no phone mornings and evenings. Avoiding using your phone or any other technologies during the last hour before sleep, but also the first hour after waking up, also really supports a healthy sleep cycle. And especially avoiding checking social media can also help reduce triggers, reduce stress, and reduce anxiety. Number 6, turn off push notifications. Still within this theme of intentional digital use, turning off my phone notifications, especially my social media ones, has been a complete game changer for me. It reduced my constant need for that dopamine hit that the push sound creates, and overall it also helped me be more intentional and conscious with my technology use. Number 7, learn something new. Since graduating from university, I've realized that learning never stops, or at least it shouldn't. The only difference is that now learning is just up to you. But continuous learning, whether that be through developing a skill or acquiring new knowledge, is how you evolve. And there is so much out there to be discovered, so many new topics to be explored, and so many new things to try, which brings us to the next habit. Number 8, reading. Reading is one of the most impactful forms of learning, whether that be through picking up a physical book or even just reading an online article. And there is so much written knowledge available nowadays, just at the tip of our fingertips, so be open to exploring new topics and to discovering new truths. On top of that, if you opt for reading a physical book, that's yet another way of avoiding going on your phone and especially doing the mindless scrolling on social media. Number 9, rethink what you consume. Not only in terms of what you're eating, which is obviously important, but also when it comes to the type of content that you're consuming online. All of this has an impact in how you feel, how you think, and how you perceive the world. So why wouldn't you choose for following people online that inspire you? Or why wouldn't you choose to listen to podcasts that motivate you? Number 10, self-care. Self-care corresponds to the conscious act of attending to your health and well-being in all of its domains. Basically, it is all about doing all the little and all the big things that help you fill your cup. And the beauty of self-care is, it is totally up to you. So activities make you feel your best and how long you even want to spend doing them. Number 11, journaling. Of course, I had to include journaling because this is one of my favorite forms of self-care. Writing your thoughts down is so powerful, and even just a few minutes a day can really help you clarify your ideas, promote self-discovery, and reduce the intensity of certain emotions. I've created a workbook called The Ultimate Guide for Your Self-Care Journey, where I tackle misconceptions, where I uncover the science behind self-care, and where I provide many incredible exercises, including over 50 journaling prompts. The link will be in the description. Number 12, positive self-talk. The way you speak to yourself matters, and that is why it is so important to develop a positive inner dialogue. You can do this through, for instance, showing yourself some compassion, using positive and empowering affirmations, or even just focusing on what you can control instead of magnifying what is going wrong. Number 13, gratitude. This is yet another really powerful exercise which has benefits not only in the short term but also in the long term. Practicing gratitude can come in many different forms, but ultimately it revolves around focusing on the good in life and having a deep sense of appreciation, which also help you change how you perceive the world. Number 14, mindfulness. Mindfulness is not just about the practice of meditation, but rather having this state of being fully present and grounded in each moment. So when you bring attention to your bodily sensations, or when you observe your thoughts with no judgments. Number 15, spending time in nature. Being in contact with nature, whether that be going for a walk at the beach or just sitting in a bench in a park, can really bring you this sense of calmness and peace. And ultimately, spending time in nature can improve your mental state, boost creativity, and also improve concentration. Number 16, track and celebrate your progress. These are two of the best practices if you're looking to establish an habit or if you're working towards the goal. When you tick a checkbox or whatever other method used for tracking, you acknowledge the step that you've just taken, and it reinforces your motivation to keep going. Because in the end, a little progress each day adds up to big results. Number 17, reset routine. Whether this is a weekly routine or a monthly routine, establishing some practices that allow you to reflect and to reset can really be beneficial because they confidently set you up for the new week or for the new month, whatever the case may be, and they also help reduce overwhelm and stress. Number 18, have a place for everything. This is key for keeping your space organized. So, get rid of what no longer serves you, and what you do decide to keep, make sure that you have a specific designated space for every single thing. This way, you will not only know where everything is located, but this will also help you keep your space clutter-free. Number 19, spend quality time with loved ones. Deepening our relationships and strengthening our connections allow us to feel this deep sense of acceptance and belonging. So make sure they create a time to be present with your loved ones, and also surround yourself with people that positively impact you and support you as well. Number 20, invest in your personal growth. The best investment you're ever going to make is with yourself, with your well-being, and with your development. So set goals and strive for improving. You can attend workshops, you can find a coach for personalized guidance, you can try therapy, or you can even do some online courses. There's a bunch of free resources online. Number 21, meal plan. Creating a plan of what you want to eat throughout the week can also be really helpful. Not only because it gives you some guidelines so you don't have to constantly have this daily debate of what you're going to eat, but also because it helps you simplify your grocery shopping process. And if you want to take it a step further, meal prepping is also a great option. Number 22, movement. We all know that moving our bodies is extremely important, but sometimes it's harder to have an active lifestyle, especially if you're, for example, working from home. And that is why it is crucial to making daily movement a priority in your life and making simple changes. For example, choosing to take the stairs over the elevator, doing some stretching as soon as you wake up, going for a little walk during a lunch break, and so on. Number 23, use sunscreen every day. Applying sunscreen is one of the easiest and the best ways to protect your skin. We probably already know this, but I still wanted to include this habit just to highlight how important it is to use sunscreen every single day of the year. So not just on sunny summer days, but also on cloudy and rainy winter days. And these are the 23 positive habits that I wanted to share with you today. If you'd like me to go more in depth on any of these topics, do let me know in the comments below. If you've enjoyed today's video and if you found it helpful, do give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe down below if you haven't already. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching, thank you for being here, and I'll see you very soon.